Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it is that time of the year again when we do our monthly trade recaps. So as you guys can see, this is just the Robinhood Investments account, not the account that I usually trade options on. Now on the month it's up a good 12%, slightly over $700. On the week we did $241, which was 4%. And today, as you guys could see, of course, we didn't really do much, and that's because I didn't buy or sell anything today. We were just holding our shares. So that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at what I am currently holding in this portfolio. So the biggest returns this month have been through holding Rivian shares. And since Rivian kind of went up a lot and then down a lot, why am I not up a lot and then down a lot? Well, that's simple. I was just taking profit every time it went up. So if we go ahead and take a look at Rivian, we can see, let's go to the chart, we can see that it went up a lot and then right back down like I described. So I just sold a lot of shares as it was going up. That way I could buy more when it went down and get a better average. So I am still down on my overall position by just 5%, but I was up this entire time almost 20%, so I was able to take a lot of profit there. Next up, we do have a call sold on Rivian, which means if Rivian goes to $11 or higher before I believe the 31st, let's see where it is. Yeah, the 31st of this month, then we will sell all of the 100 shares that are on this call. So I'm currently up a good $9 on this, which is only 23%, but if Rivian continues to drop, I'll be making money while the stock goes down, which is pretty cool. And for those of you who aren't familiar with buying and, well, actually selling to open options, I'll be making a video on that very soon, so please subscribe to see that. Next up, we've got another great performer. We have Petco, and this one was very interesting, and I'll show you guys why. So first off, I did sell a call on this as well, and I did that for $10. Where does it show? Yeah, right here. Average credit was $10, so I'm being paid $10 to sell all 100 of my Petco shares if it goes above the strike price of $2.50. So today it went up 65%, and in total we're up 20%. So that's great, and let me show you guys why that happened. So on the week, as you guys can see, I've taken a lot of profit on my shares because I only have $300 left, and I only have a total of 120 shares. So this is no longer one of the main parts, one of the main, like, as you guys can see down here, it says portfolio diversity, so it's no longer one of my main positions, but I still have, a few percentage points of my money in this. So here's what happened over the month. It's been skyrocketing. It is up 53% in just 1 month. But if we go down to the year chart, it's still down 77% on the year. So you might be thinking, I'd be down a lot, but my average cost is so good here at $2.11 that I'm actually in profit. Now, the thing I'm scared about personally right now is that it's at $2.50. So, if it's still at $2.50 or higher, I'm going to sell all 100 of my shares at that price. But at least I'm being paid $10 to do so. So it's not the end of the world if that does happen. Now let's take a look at what else we're holding. I've got some Ford shares. I am looking to get that up to $100 now that we have a little bit more buying power. Sorry, 100 shares, not $100. Currently, let's see how much money we have in Ford. We've got almost 600 in Ford, and we are barely up 4%, and that is one of the larger positions as the portfolio diversity is 11.49%. What else are we holding? Let's see down here. By the way, if you guys are confused why some of my positions are like 0.01 or 0.101, all these wacky numbers, that's because I'm not currently invested in them, but I like to keep them on my watch list because if you didn't know, if you're invested in a stock with the slightest amount, Robinhood will send you alerts uh, of how much that stock is moving throughout the day on your phone, so it's just very helpful for me. So I do that all the time. That's why a lot of these show just zero point 0.1 or 0.001. Next up, we've got SoFi. I think we're down on this overall. Let's see. No, we are exactly break even. What are the chances of that? So today we went down on it, but in total we are break even, and I've only got 82 bucks in SoFi, so this is a great one to load up on. And as you guys can see, it was in the $6 range, which is where I'd love to buy it. So if it continues to drop, I'll be buying a ton of SoFi stock. Now next up, let's go all the way down here because there's another very exciting one. Where is it? We've got to find it. I have so many of these. Okay, so Starbucks is one that I just started buying as well. We are currently up on Starbucks, but oh no, we are down on it. So we're down 0.13% because it's fallen a little bit in the last week. Well, with that being said, this might be a good time to start buying Starbucks. If I am now break even slash down on it, we might have to buy because it is down a lot on the year, almost 30%, and this is a stock that I definitely want to hold for the long term. Absolutely. So that's basically all we have for today in terms of positions I'm currently in, but I would appreciate it if you guys subscribed if you're not already, because I do these update videos all the time, and I always tell you guys exactly what stocks I'm buying at the exact prices I'm buying them at, and when I'm selling them. So with that being said, thank you guys very much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.